Remember your observation, which way?
Left, middle, right?
Yes. Good. Because sometimes cars come behind the cars, so keep looking for your observation. Keep going now. So at the crossroad, turn left, please, and then after that, immediate left. If no one coming, keep going. No one's coming, so it's safe. Keep going. So here, we're turning. Good. And then next left. This is fine. Speed is okay. Your position is fine. So we don't want to hit the curb. So we don't want to. We just want to do it slowly and nicely. Perfect. Good. 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 Well done. So end of this road, we are turning left, and the road is unmarked. This time I'm gonna help you with position because we want to steer to the left. So this position is fine. Keep going with the reduced speed, so because anyone can come there. So keep going. Can you see the middle line, black line? So we need to be here in middle. This is our own lane. Now here we are gonna turn left, so just reduce your speed nice and slow. I'm gonna help you with the position. So we go slowly and we stop here. And then we slowly creep forward, slowly. And when this mirror come in the corner of this curb, we slowly start steering to the left and moving as well. Slowly steering to the left, left more. So we come to the left like this. This is perfect now. Perfect, well done. Hazard is there, so we come early here. Perfectly fine. So I help you with the position. Next time you need to do it yourselves, okay? So we're turning left here. Next time I'm not gonna help you. So we stop here, you look everywhere. Where you looking? Which way?
Left, middle.
Yeah, that's fine. And right. Good. Perfect. And then we turn. Good. Fine. Now going, keep going. At the crossroad, we are turning left and then immediate left. If the road is clear, you keep going then. Are we signaling a little bit early?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So where we signal from?
10 cars.
Yes.
Or when you can see it.
When you see the junction or 10 cars away. So keep going. Because no one's approaching, so keep going. And then we're turning left. Yeah. This is fine. Keep. Very good, good, well done. And then next left. Remember your position and speed here. So we want to do it properly. Good, good, nice, well done. And keep going now. We don't want to go on the curb, okay? This is fine. End of the road, we are turning left. We'll steer a little bit to the right. Look, we don't want to go on the curb again because the road is zigzag, so we need to act according to the road layout. So we just here, remember, we just slow down really slowly in this corner. This is the corner of the curb. Look, move forward a bit and stop Stop completely. Okay, look everywhere. And then start steering as well as you moving quickly to the left. Like this. Well done, well done, well done. And now we're gonna pull up to the left, not here. Just move forward. Let's turn left here. Okay. Remember your observation. Don't miss any road, okay? Yeah, perfect. This is fine. And then at the crossroad, turn left. And then just keep going ahead this time. If he's coming, so go very slow. Don't stop, but just go very slow. Yeah. Go. We are turning left. And then we're gonna go ahead and then pull up to the left here where the 20 sign is. Keep it to the right, keep it straight. More to the right. And here somewhere. We just stop. This is safe place. Park the car, handbrake up, and relax. Okay, so you fix the turns. So only like few junctions left. So next session we're gonna do each because whenever you go enter on any junction is so difficult. We're gonna do them again in next session, okay?